Hey there, viewers! We're coming up on 1 full year of quarantine. Answer this one question. In the last year, how much money do you think you've spent on fast food? Given that almost everyone has been locked down in their homes, fast food has been my go-to. Millennials spend 45% of their food budget on eating out. Do you understand what it does to your body when you're eating nothing but snacks? Let's talk about that in today's video. Does it affect your respiratory system? What does all this sugar do? How likely are you to become depressed? Wait, can fast food really affect your skeleton? We're talking all that and more. Number 1. Obesity. Yes, eating nothing but burgers and fries can sure make you pack on the pounds. In the United States alone, 2 in 3 adults are considered overweight or obese. As for children, more than 1/3 of American kids are also overweight. If all you're doing is sitting around munching on value menu items, you're gonna see a huge difference the next time you step on the scale. Here's a general rule. The average man is recommended 2,500 calories a day, while the average woman is recommended 2,000 calories a day. A diet that relies on nothing but fast food will take you above and beyond your daily suggested calories. Just a Big Mac burger from McDonald's packs 550 calories. If you eat a combo with fries and a drink, you're getting well over 1,000. Treating yourself once in a while is fine. But when you're eating like this every day, you're gonna find yourself out of shape. The real scary thing is that not only do some of us eat like this every day, some do it multiple times. How many fast food meals have you eaten in a single day? Have you ever eaten it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Sound off in the comments section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. Bad bones. Did you know that obese people have a greater chance of breaking their bones? This is due to a lack of exercise. Staying in shape and building muscle allows for your bones to become stronger. Obesity causes problems with bone density and muscle mass. If your diet isn't healthy, your bones will become weak. This is because you're not getting the right nutrients. What's your workout routine look like these days? If you're like me, it's been non-existent. If you've been downing nothing but Taco Bell and KFC double downs, your bones are going to break down. That's why it's good to put together some exercises to do from home. Number 3. Bad teeth. On top of exercise, you should also be cleaning your teeth. Not just brushing, but flossing too. When you're eating nothing but sugar, the acidity in your mouth will increase. These acids will begin to eat away at your tooth enamel. The tooth enamel is a thin, protective layer over your teeth. If you want an idea of just how strong excessive sugar is, the tooth enamel is the hardest tissue in the human body. Over time, carbs and sugar will burn through, causing your enamel to disappear. This allows bacteria to spread and cause cavities. Number 4. Pimples. Yes, your high school nightmare can become a reality in adulthood. A diet that's high in fast food can lead to some serious acne. It's especially true for high-carb foods like pizza and hamburgers. Just for interest's sake, carbs should only make up between 45 to 65% of your daily calories. An endless parade of Pizza Hut and Burger King will lead to a spike in your blood sugar levels. This will trigger acne. For the longest time, people believed it was all the grease from these foods that led to breakouts. In reality, it's actually all the sugar, white flour, and empty carbs. It does nothing for your skin, but give you gross pimples. If your quarantine routine has included large amounts of high-carb foods, it's time to switch to some fruits and veggies. I'm talking about things like blueberries, tomatoes, beans, and spinach. It may seem like a radical change from what you're used to eating, but it definitely puts your skin on the right track, not to mention your whole body. That reminds me, before we continue, do you want to look younger? Let's take a look at 6 anti-aging salads that will give you better skin. Now back to our list of what nothing but fast food does to your body during quarantine. Number 5. Poor fertility. One of the issues so many couples have faced during quarantine is whether or not to get pregnant. There are just so many realities to consider right now and in the foreseeable future. If you're looking to have a baby within the next little while, you might want to expand your palate beyond just Popeyes and Wendy's. In fact, you may need to. Did you know that eating nothing but fast food can affect your fertility rate? Processed food contains chemicals that mess around with the hormones in your body. This can affect your ability to reproduce. So again, you might want to add some healthier foods to your quarantine grocery list. Number 6. Poor breathing. Did you know that packing on the pounds can seriously screw your lungs up? A daily meal of French fries and hamburgers will fill you with too many calories, eventually resulting in obesity. Obesity results in breathing issues like asthma and shortness of breath. You see, the fat that you've gained will put pressure on your lungs and heart. This is why obese people often have trouble engaging in physical activity. These effects set in pretty quickly. The more weight you gain, the more you'll notice having issues with climbing stairs and running. Even walking becomes a hassle. The fast food lifestyle can be especially harmful for kids. Have you been quarantining with your children? If so, you might want to make sure they're eating their veggies. Studies have shown that young children who eat fast food more than 3 times a week are more likely to develop asthma. Number 7. Depression. A diet that's heavy on the burgers will have terrible effects on your mental health. I mean, think about it. You eat nothing but greasy, fatty foods. You're gonna feel like garbage. Add on the fact that you've been confined indoors, and you're gonna get a little loopy. People who eat fast food on the regular are 51% more likely to develop depression than people who don't. While scarfing down a Baconator may satisfy you in the moment, over time, depression will set in. The refined carbs in your favorite burger combo will cause your blood sugar to fluctuate. Low blood sugar will lead to depressive symptoms, including anxiety as well as panic attacks. If this isn't a reason to switch your lockdown diet up, I don't know what is. Number 8. Sodium overload. Do you realize just how much salt exists in fast food? This is an essential ingredient that helps make your favorite snacks taste the way they do. You are suggested no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. But do you want to know just how much sodium the average American consumes? 3,400 milligrams. This is probably the reason you feel so bloated after a cheeseburger. If this has been your diet all throughout quarantine, you're gonna experience water retention, which leads to parts of your body feeling swollen and gross afterwards. High sodium is also bad for people with heart disease. Actually, this deserves to be a completely separate point. Number 9. Heart disease. This is pretty much the giant whale of health problems daily fast food can cause. So you want to sit indoors and eat pizza, do you? Well, heart disease is closer than you might think. Let's just throw out some quick stats for you. Heart disease is the leading cause of death around the world. It takes almost 18 million lives every single year. In the United States, someone dies from heart disease every 36 seconds. Almost 655,000 Americans die every year from it. About 1 in 4 annual deaths are from heart disease. I mean, that's pretty terrifying. A diet with an overload of sodium will lead to heart issues. If you're eating nothing but greasy snacks all day, every day, you're essentially beating your heart to a pulp. For people who already suffer from high blood pressure, this is especially dangerous. It only puts them at a higher risk of heart attack or stroke. This is why it's good to add some healthier foods to your quarantine diet. You need to start eating foods that are lower in not only sodium, but carbs and unhealthy fats. Your diet is important in general, but when you're locked down in your home, it's especially crucial. Have I sparked your interest? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple videos about healthy eating, shall we? Check out 12 super vegetables you should eat that pack some serious power. Or how about 12 ways you're cooking your vegetables wrong, which reduces their health benefits? Go ahead, click one. Better yet, watch both. Learn more about how to stay healthy during a pandemic. Have you been eating a lot of fast food over the past year? Let us know in the comments below.